Well, as people get back to events, as more and more people are vaccinated, and the world just becomes a safer place to go about, we are learning what people are looking for in terms of safety precautions, and specifically when it comes to cultural events. And this morning we're joined by Emily Frankowski, who you see there, who is, she's really learned a lot from the survey that Connect to Culture put out, asking about how people want to go about this. So can you explain just a little bit of what the survey asked and what you saw in the results?
Yeah, so it was called the Joplin Area Audience Assessment Survey, and we were really gauging the public's attitudes towards attending live in-person events, or also their attitudes towards alternative programming, like things online. Long story short, people are ready to get back to live entertainment, indoors and outdoors. But what we saw across the board was that people want to do it safely. They aren't going to be put off by any precautions that are put in place from organizations just to keep people safe. There was a little bit of, we saw a little bit of tiredness in virtual programming, but people would still be interested in it if it's free or very, very affordable. So we're kind of taking this survey results in a positive light, and it will really help us while we are programming our next season of performances.
So that's really, really interesting. Thank you for sharing those with us. Really quickly before we let you go, Emily, I want to make sure we cover, there's 2 exhibits and 1 class that we want to kind of highlight here. I know you have a ton more on the website, but what do we got in terms of exhibits in the month of March?
Yeah, so this is a really exciting annual exhibit. Is the Central Ozark Conference Art Show. It's going to be at Crowder College this year at their Longwell Museum in Neosho, and it basically spotlights area high school students and the best of artwork from Neosho, Carthage, Joplin, Webb City, and Carl Junction. It's a competition, so they'll be giving out prizes, but you'll kind of get to see the best of the best in the high school world.
That's really neat. And then I know the Show Me Mail Art, I guess part of the Post Mail Art Project.
Yes.
That's the Post Art Library, right?
Yes, the Post Art Library has a mail art call out, and the theme is Show Me Mail Art. They're also going to be exhibiting a variety of mail art. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically art sent through the mail. It can be pretty much anything. It's very creative. Everyone can do it. So I would definitely go take a look at the exhibit through March, and then you can make some mail art of your own to send in.
That's really cool. Well, Emily, we really appreciate you stopping by and sharing all this with us. We're going to have more information on our website at koamnewsnow.com. Just go to our morning show page, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News after this.